I believe we can get there. Usai better salon de not so. Now we go take we an one another and go Usai we want salon for go. Today we topic a well-planned transition and go lead to good governance. Wait to make we with this because we see say 1 year on, still there is no understanding between the present government and the former administration when at the APC. We find out say they all two know the see eye to eye. And I want make we take back and see who side this thing start. When the Enfa Ali NEC be announced the final result, the same net then go, then swear in President Bio Naradi Simblu. From that next day, President Bio began acting in the capacity as the president of Sierra Leone. And we find out say the APC since they no be ever think say then go lost the election. So up to now, it's like say na dreamland, like say it not ever happen. We go find out say the APC they not ever concede. They not ever make a conference. They not ever gather their supporters and agree say, yes, we don't lost the election. And because we lost the election, let we all help for work with this government and see how then they carry the country go. Then next election, we have go come and see if we can able to come back and win. Before that, we see inside President Bio himself do thank you tour. And we see inside the APC back, then grab themselves do thank you tour. And inside the thank you tours them, if you listen, they all now blames them. Inside the thank you tours them. It's differ for say yes, we accept say we lost the election, and because we lost the election, we now can make we all work together so that at the end of the day we go get a better Sierra Leone. I think say na day we miss him. Yes, President Bio and former President Ernest Koroma, they meet one time on camera. All that clip day we go come play them. But I want make we start from the swearing in. Let we start from the swearing in. How everything be unfold. Let we see if na so it been supposed for go. And what to make they bring the wire now? Because I want make we take a look back and see the time way na be Pakaba in term way be the handover. We not see all in drama 1 year on. But why make we still see the drama where they go on? Let we take them from the swearing in. Listen to this clip where we get. The swearing in will be happen. Let we listen. Or just to try for refresh reminds them back. Listen to this.
Mr. President-elect, pursuant to Section 46, subsection 5 of the Constitution of Sierra Leone, Act number 6 of 1991, I now have the honor and privilege to invite you to take the oath of office as President of the Republic of Sierra Leone. I, Julius Maada Bio, do hereby, in the name of God, swear that I will at all times well and truly discharge the duties of the office of the President of the Republic of Sierra Leone.
That's not the newly elected President of the Republic of Sierra Leone. His Excellency retired Brigadier Julius Maada Bio will be the take oath of office before the Chief Justice, Justice Abdullah Cham, Wednesday, April 4, na the Radisson Blue Mamioko Hotel, Aberdeen, Fulton. After the National Electoral Commission NEC, he announced say, retired Brigadier Julius Maada Bio don't win the March 31 presidential runoff election. Inside President Julius Maada Bio, they tell thank you to Salone people for elect him as the new president.
Today is a new dawn, the dawn of a new era. The people of nation have voted for change in the new direction. We are honored and privileged to serve the new government of Sierra Leone. Let me take this opportunity to first and foremost thank and congratulate the people of Sierra Leone for coming out in large numbers in the first and second round of elections to vote for peace, security, stability, development, and above all, change. In particular, let me thank the membership of the Great Sierra Leone People's Party for this historic democratic victory.
His Excellency the President, retired Brigadier Julius Maada Bio, been same so tell thank you to the outgoing President, Dr. Ernest Bai Koroma, for the peaceful transition of power to him.
I want to acknowledge the leadership and support of our outgoing President, His Excellency Dr. Ernest Bai Koroma, and the APC government for sustaining our tradition of peaceful democratic transition. I said during this campaign that this election is about the future of Sierra Leone, the future of our children, and the future of our grandchildren. I thank you for electing me as the President of the Republic of Sierra Leone.
He continues to say, in a president for Saloon and Saloon people.
From today, I am President of and for all Sierra Leoneans. Whether you voted for me or not, be rest assured that I will be President for all Sierra Leoneans, irrespective of the political party that you belong to, of the part of the country that you come from. We have only one country, Sierra Leone, and we are all one people.
The newly elected President, retired Brigadier Julius Maada Bio, continue for talk about some party things them where in government go promote.
My government will promote national unity, national cohesion, and discipline leadership as the foundation for inclusive governance and inclusive development where no one is left out. I therefore call on you all and all other political parties to join me as your president to develop and transform this nation. Let me thank the National Electoral Commission, NEC, the international community, our development partners, the press, civil society organizations, non-governmental organizations, members of the military and other security services for your commitment and support in helping us achieve a free, fair, transparent, and relatively peaceful election. I have no doubt that this will further help us to strengthen and consolidate our democracy.
But waiting people, now they expect from the new president after he don't take out of office.
A better change, like what you say, they do a government of inclusion. I expect to do plenty things in this country. More especially like we don't talk about the education one. The education now they expect to do for we.
I'd expect a Saloon will take, I don't know if I can put a miraculous change wherein the least and the ordinary citizen will benefit from the wealth of this country. And I believe, say, the president of retired Brigadier Julius Maada Bio, we all as Sierra Leoneans will benefit from the resources of this nation.
The Vice President Mohamed Jule Jallo been same so take out of office before President Julius Maada Bio. Usai President Julius Maada Bio be assured say, few days from now, people go hear but in government programs and policy them. For the Society for Ready Democracy, Mohamed Sherif, the report.
Yes, we just go back, make we take Usai all these stats. You remember that now the time we then be swearing President Bio Naradisim Blue. The same net where the Onfa Ali be announced the results, and the same net then go Naradisim Blue and then swear Amin. What will they talk about today? A well-planned transition and will lead to good governance. It look like say from that 10 day, everything be just rush. Now so it look like. Because if you remember, right after that, President Bio take over and APC not be concede. What will be the evidence and then they say APC say then they go to court. APC they sue, APC they go to court, now then they will be the So APC not ever to date 1 year on, they not ever come say yes, we agree say we lost the election. No. to the supporters them, then they win. But then just left and give SLPP. So if the supporters then get down in their mind, what you feel say go happen, say the next election. Now this now ain't go to go on. But what to make this not be happen for Pakaba in term to Pahanesi on term? Okay, let we just relax back and listen. This term way, the first term way, after they don't make President Bio, after the swearing in, now we can see Usai President Bio and former President Ernest Koroma, they meet. Let we listen what will be happen for that meeting day. Let we listen this.
Thursday, April 5, the President, retired Brigadier Julius Maada Bio and some member them at the Salon People's Party, SLPP, go waka to the first term President, Dr. Ernest Bai Koroma, na State Lodge, for tell am thank you for the peace, stability, security and other things them where he maintain at the country. Usai President Bio say, the good leadership with Dr. Ernest Bai Koroma provide during his tenure as president make the country get peaceful and democratic transition.
This is just a courtesy call. I want to thank you for your leadership of the country for the past 10 years and to thank you for shepherding this very extremely difficult process to a very successful end.
He continues to say, he will make sure say he continue the good work. Beside Dr. Ernest Bai Koroma, don't tap.
I will make sure that I continue from where you've left off and that you can be assured of my support as and when you need me, and to also let you know that you have done a good job and I want to step in your shoe and continue this job.
President Bio say, word we don't go round during the campaign period say, if he win the election, and government go which owns people that the past government, and this is say not so true. We make it say, in government no go do nothing. We go embark the country in peace.
I want you to know that we have only Sierra Leone as home for us all, and to assure you and every member of your government that we are not here for witch hunting. Quite a lot of people are scared. They have no reason to be scared. This is part of democracy, and they can rest assured that Sierra Leone is for us all, and we are not going to do anything to disturb the peace of any peaceful citizen. So this is why we are here. This is a part of our tradition to come and meet you. The official process will take place later.
President Julius Maada Bio been expressed concern, but the bad politics where he say don't they happen in the country, and this is say for tap now.
I also want to let the world and this country know that the politics of hatred, adversarial politics in particular, should come to an end. You and I know that we are not at war. You won the last time, you've completed, and you did not contest. Unfortunately, I cannot see my brother here, Dr. Samora Kamara. I would have loved to see him here, but I'm just here to assure you that I will ensure that peace, stability, and security continues in this country.
President Bio been called on Dr. Ernest Bai Koroma for support the new government with the experience we gather inside the past 10 years.
You played your part. I want to play my part. I need your support, your experience in office. I need the support of your government, your members of your government, and social harmony, national harmony is very important on my agenda. And definitely I cannot accomplish that without your support. I remember the very first time you went into office, you called me and said, I need your support. You are leaving and have come to seek your support.
We immediately talk to President Julius Maada Bio and his team. Dr. Ernest Bai Koroma congratulate President Bio for where he win the presidential runoff election and say the election process and outcome don't get linked to the country in democracy.
Mr. President, Your Excellency Julius Maada Bio, let me welcome you and your team to the State Lodge. This is a congratulations to you and your party, but I think it is victory for all of us as Sierra Leoneans. What is happening now is only deepening the democratic process in the country and sending signals out to the rest of the country and internationally that we are transforming ourselves and we are graduating to a new league of countries in Africa that are considered to be democratically matured.
The first-time president, Dr. Ernest Bai Koroma, continues to say, a goal for the C political party leader them come together and show more maturity and unity.
Sierra Leone is for all of us, and we only have one Sierra Leone. And moments like this, we must send out the assurances of being together as a political class that are charged by the country to provide leadership. Continue to rein in our supporters to know that at the end of the day, it is your brother or friend, somebody connected to you. Therefore, there is reason to celebrate, because after every hard fight, you must celebrate, but also do it within the framework of the law. And after all of it, it is no longer politics. It is about developing Sierra Leone.
For sake of this and other reasons, make Dr. Ernest Bai Koroma assure the new president say he will give him the support we need for changing the life of ordinary people.
Let me assure you that you are a brother, as you have indicated. I will, whatever support or advice I am required of, I'm just a telephone call away. I think we have a responsibility to ensure that you succeed. If you fail, I think it's Sierra Leone's that will fail. And not augur well for us as a nation, it will not augur well for us as a people, and it will be a failure to the political class. It will not be good for all of us. So let me make it publicly that I will provide all the support that you require to ensure that you succeed.
The first-time president, Dr. Ernest Bai Koroma, will appeal to the new president for continued for faith regionalism and tribalism, and President Julius Maada Bio will assure say in government will be inclusive, non-regional and tribal for the Society for Radio Democracy. Mohammed Sharif, the reports.
Yes, we go tell Mohammed Sharif thank you from 98.1. You know, this not the time, not the only time we former President Ernest Bai Koroma and President Bio don't meet na the public eye. Na the only time this, if they don't meet again, we don't know. But this time na be April 6, 2018. So 1 year don't pass. Here the conversation between the all two. 1 year on, they all two keep to them words there. 1 year on, after their meeting, they wouldn't begin. Then all two keep to them words there. We are here all waiting, all man talk. We are here them. But what do you think? Waiting na you own take on today's own topic. Like I said earlier, the transition. Waiting we miss pan this one. We been work fine during Pakaba and Ibi Kenyon. Waiting we miss. Because that day everything work fine. But here 1 year on, we still they get this misunderstanding between them two parties. Waiting at the reason. And we read them, April 6th, they meet, 2018, they all two talk fine. Then they promise say, just a phone call away. Then they say, yes, we be get, you President Tradewi take over, you call me, you tell me this. So that friendship they be there, is still there right now? Like I said, APC, you don't ever suicide and agree, say yes, they lost the election. No, they don't concede. So in some of the supporters, their mind, now they win. But then just left and give SLPP no more. Now so it be. Because since that day where they announce the result, that same day, it's like some people don't start campaign again. So don't start all over again. Like in a campaign period we dey pass so 1 year on. for next election. I will open the phone line now. You can call and be part of the program. Yes, we don't get to first caller on the line. Yes, caller, your name and who side you call from?
Mustafa, they call from France.
Yes, Mustafa from France. What's in your contribution on today?
My contribution, I want to tell you, thank you for this work they do. I really they try. One thing they do so, I really they try past beaucoup radio station and now salon chef. But one, the Alec give me small bit. Like you the time, learn give me small time. I analyze this. All this program we don't put together.
You get 1 minute. Now 1 minute you get. So, yeah, what's in your contribution?
Number one was na sincerity. Pakaba, when he come on a power, and next be expect them. And no come for come begin call and say na anyampi, na this, na that. Madabio, it talk fine, it starts fine. But the ending, I don't know if he advice are the way he gets, that they don't turn in brain, if he make way how he be start up. And not believe so for those for who they should elect today. We expect to pass all things. No, not accuse nobody doing SLPP in regime say they don't can't see free now. Nyampi they take over from the empty will go far and do this. But when Madam Bio come, himself as a president, himself begin to bring the tension up. After all 6 minutes, I don't call everybody saying that 6 man there, now a bunch of racketeers. Himself the president, he come, he show the same line. Where they go now, they say, where you take over from Anyampi there, now 6 man there, now this. So you expect things to be okay? It's not going to be okay because the former president self, he don't disrespect our force.
Okay.
When you know the person thief, take him to the law. When you find and guilty before you pronounce and thief.
All right, thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you very much.
All right, thank you. Yes, caller, you're live on air. Your name and who side you call from, please?
Yeah, my name is Ansu, calling from Maryland.
Yes, Ansu from Maryland. What's in your contribution on today on program?
My contribution here is this. The whole problem with the going on the country right now is that the initial stage of this government and the parliament, the appointment of Abbas Bundu, which of course all over the world, it never happened when the majority party not get the speaker. That just be uncalled for. Everything started. If the country wants to come back for peace, therefore rectify that mistake the way they make. Therefore go back, let them go make the right thing. But besides that, there will be no peace that's alone. Because they don't violate the constitution, they violate the law. It never happened in any part of the world. So all the problems in that country, we now get the possibility for them to talk to people, this is not the thing we have to emphasize. That's not the problem. Until they go back, then get the speaker to whether he deserve, the country never get peace. Now, my contribution down there anyway.
All right, thank you very much, Ansu. Thank you. Yes, we don't get another caller on the line. Yes, caller, your name and who side you call from, please?
This is Nazara. Straight to the point. First of all, the problem all where we get is then the president in aid. The president not look peaceful. If he not been peaceful leader, we know for that to them points there today. The president, first of all, the way he take over, the way he bundle all thing, they announce everything was wrong. And not go through the right procedures them. One, in all respect, the way he succeed from, not ever get respect. Not recognize and say, na person we be don't rule salon. Na person we don't take salon somewhere. Salon was nowhere to be found. But at least that man, he deserves some respect. But he not get them from the president. The president need for respect and escorma. He gets for understand say himself therefore left there tomorrow. not get for day forever. It wallet and treat and so it wallet it can have power tomorrow and taking way it come on a power tomorrow. Let them take insecurities then I and them maltreat them. It wallet and do and so. Don't I think say in problem it come off from your advisor them with in wealth Fatima. Fatima not a good woman for the nation. If you're a good woman, it advise a man well. Fatima go sit on a radio station, say go on drive for them. And we say
Sarah, I know I'll reach and I'll just stay focused on this transition side, please.
Yeah,
and I'll let people can drive the topic go on that area day because then our whole topic for another day. We definitely will go for count Sunday.
The president they get wrong advice. It need for changing advisor there and the WEF need for change because the WEF and the advisor then I didn't get them.
All right, thank you very much. All right, thank you. Yes, caller, your name and who side the call from, please?
Yes, sir, but I want to get the topic because I don't know the topic. My name is Mr. Kamara, the call from Pennsylvania, Middletown.
Okay, Mr. Kamara, the topic for today, now a well-planned transition now go lead to good governance. Unfortunately, you not listen because we don't play the clip. The first time way former President Koroma and President Bio they meet, then we talk all the good things they wouldn't be get for the country, but they like it today will not see that happen. So Nadande will talk about sir.
I'll call you back, yeah?
All right.
Go to other body, call you back.
Okay. Yes, caller, you live on air. Your name and who side the call from, please?
Yeah, I'm the call now, Musa, the call from Republic of Ireland.
Yes, Musa. What's in your own contribution for today?
What's not the program today because I don't know which kind of program they today.
Today on program, waiting with the talk about. I think the other caller back say himself no yeri. With the talk, we don't play one clip and it go difficult for Leona take part because we not listen what you play. We don't play one clip where the clip they talk about how former President Koroma and President Biden began all this good plan we delicate today will not see and happen. So Nadande would they talk about.
The former president, why all these problems go on? Why all these questions go on? The problem is that when you left the power, because if you don't tell the people after that, 3 months, once in there as active government.
I don't know. They get a bad line from you. Would they get a bad line from you? I don't know what happened.
Hello, they get me?
Yes, fine now. They get you fine now, yeah.
Okay, so this is a problem because now the other government, like the present government, they can say, okay, this man is still an active president. So being that, they're not going to pull out, they're not going to come together because they don't say the man is still in an opposition to run because I know to step down. So this is a problem. And I know we start man will repeat just around the bush, people don't talk to. There's no problem as well. Everybody tells you there's a problem. Now, social media and they just talk to you for saying, oh, the problem, it could be war, this, so that. Look, let me tell you, my brother, war will ever come back in Salon because everybody don't experience what we see 11 years war in Salon. So it affects everybody in one way or the other. So what they talk, people will be say for saying, what we can't, the country is not stable. Now, just stand there from Salon. We go tell them when I come back February, no problem. They keep the meeting at the time when we make inquiry, I believe we can just start.
All right.
So no problem, no in Salon. Everybody tell you for say problem, work or can this that. Everybody don't experience that. So no experience that. Your contribution is that let the man, let the APC, let the meet say for say don't lost the power.
Okay, thank you.
Because they don't get able to take to the government, the current president say for say we do their one and for them.
All right, thank you very much, caller.
And accept, no put the country forward, no put the country first. That's my own contribution.
All right, thank you very much, caller. Yes, caller, you're live on air. Your name and who side the call from, please?
This na Bami Robert. I call from Washington, D.C.
Yeah, what's in your contribution on today on program, sir?
Yes, I just feel like I don't listen to a couple of people that they say they get for respect Ernest Koeman and all these things. I believe, say, the president respects Ernest Koeman, but until Ernest Koeman resign as a leader of in party right now, I don't feel say the current president will get that much leverage, because in a politician, in authoritarian, you understand? So people that get for understand. And secondly, they not stop this president from security. You know, people that they pay attention. It's still getting security, but the president still demands, say, he wants your own personal security. But if you want your own personal security, go get your own personal security. But anyway, moving forward, I think, say, the constitution, Salon constitution needs to change completely, because APCSA people, they don't violate the constitution so much that it's not even funny no more. Until they change the constitution, when they change them, nobody should be above the law. Period. Who follow that constitution, everything will be fine in the country. But when this comes, they break the constitution with the parliament and all these things, nothing will happen. That's what we get for the because one, APC, they no one let go, say Madabio na the president. That's the bottom line. Anyhow we look at it. Even if they pull this case na court, you understand, they go still find a way for go back after Madabio in government. It's just the way it is. So people get to understand that. That's all I think I need to say.
Okay, thank you very much, Mami.
Thank you.
Yes, caller, you're live on here. Your name and who side you call from, please?
My name is Ernest Anders. I call from Sierra Leone.
Yes, Ernest from Sierra Leone. Waiting na you take on today on program.
Yeah, waiting na you take. The transition will take place last year will not be correct, because when Ernest Koeman take over power from Tijan Kaba, it make the transition be peaceful. Ernest Koeman worked with the last administration for over 3 months. He work with them small, say he gets what he wants. But when the Maya so come, them full press release, they sack everybody with the work. All past ministers, they don't sack them immediately. They kept them, build up a transition team for go make a report. If they go investigate somebody, they're in back way, not in the office. They automatically come and see the man in a fifth man there. People in the vex finance Koeman say, pull out on politics. But if you don't rule a country for 10 years, then somebody can say you cheat, you're not a criminal. You need for defend yourself. Anytime we need for defend yourself. And if not build the respect on Ernest Koeman, the problem will get so right around the country, will not ever get again. I'm your contribution on this.
All right, thank you very much, caller. Yes, caller, you're live on here. Your name and who side you call from?
Hello, Mina Souma Abdoulaye from France.
Yes, Souma Abdoulaye, you don't hear you with topic. What's in your contribution, sir?
Well, my contribution, waiting assisting our problem as alone, but that transition side. One, we lack system, then we lack process. Then the affect power transition. Since we established democracy, that every problem they will be facing from Pakaba time, because within institution they will get, especially PPRC. They make would they get them problem also, because we look at APC the constitution, that role where former President Ernest Koeman is place right now. PPRC now for don't under the mistake force the mistake under force they for don't tell any party where they register, where they party will register for make you run for any position, especially for president or any other thing concerning election business country. If for tell towards with constitution. Now look, although some other school of thought talk say Ernest Koeman in position, APC where Ernest Koeman get a position there, you don't get nothing to do with the constitution. But if you look another way around, you're unprecedented. Any party where they form, if for tailor towards the constitution. So if I talk so far, and that time a contribution.
Thank you very much, caller. Yes, caller, you're live on air. Your name and who side the call from, please?
My name is Francis Maxwell. I call from London.
Yes, Francis from London. What's in your own contribution on today's program?
Yeah, my own take on all this thing is the idea that whenever we get a transition in Africa, this not Africa as a whole, when we get a transition, people let it tend for negotiate then exit. And when their negotiations they are not go right, people let it tend for begin blame the other party for witch hunt. You understand? Mm-hmm. This is one of the biggest problems that we get. We don't get two parties where for the last 30, 40 years they don't destroy and do all kinds of things. They don't abuse the constitution, they don't abuse themselves, they don't abuse the office of the president and office of every responsibility we they get. And whenever they disagree with each other, it becomes a problem. You understand? There is an issue with them two people there. You understand? This man negotiates in exit, a proper exit. But this man forgets the people they behind this man. You understand? If this man can initiate an idea of corruption investigation and this don't become a problem, then I don't know which salon they head for. You understand? We're heading for everybody for no side they head for. The country just to go from bad to worse. Everybody they suffer. Everybody they wait themselves. Whenever we get something where they attack corruption, it don't become a problem in Africa. They don't forever attack corruption. Therefore, always go ahead no more. Everybody for can join the queue. You understand? It's wrong. Let we get a change this time. Let's have a change. And let we try to enjoy this change a bit. It's not going to stop with Madabio. It's not going to start and stop with Madabio. When they say come one day in the office, they say go try people then. But this time the mistake they will not make. They will not see that they don't talk say, oh, Madabio been thief. But they're not been try Madabio. Tijan Kabade and thief. They're not try Tijan Kabade. You understand? But when they come, when Madabio then come, people and they were level-headed between them, among them, we decide say, okay, let we try for see how far we can go with corruption. It's not going to end now. It's not going to start and end now. Because we all know, say, corruption and ongoing thing in Africa for a very long time. So we pray that at least this start will bring a new waiting safe na saloon. You understand? Tomorrow, I want to see what's in the response of APC after we take over, and when we get for take over one day. You understand? We know, say, this will be more, it will even be better than how this one day. You understand? So that's a million contribution anyway.
Thank you very much, caller.
Yeah.
Yes, caller, you're live on air. Oh, we lost two callers at the same time. Okay. Yes, caller, you're live on air. Your name and who side you call from?
Hello, Mr. Presenter.
Hello, caller. Yes, caller, you're live on air. Your name and who side you call from? Yes, you're live on air.
Hello?
You know the Yegi?
Asemina Yusuf Abdullah Mara, the call from Italy.
Yes, Yusuf, what's in your own contribution? Carry on.
My own contribution is that, leadership. Now one of the bigger aspects in any country so far or in any institution where you found yourself, okay. So like, hello?
You're not going to listen yourself or you there live. Just talk normal with the area.
Yeah. So like I say, leadership, now one of the things, where they deal with a lot of respect and a lot of rules and regulation. So it just happens, say, with my own view, past Pakaba, we left power, we an estate power, we Pakaba and over. And let's give a total respect to Pakaba. Give a total respect as a man we don't rule a state, as a man where he don't fight for the peace of Sierra Leone, So it happened, and let's recognize that at the end of the day, and as by Kurma, he will give that respect to Pakaba. So like it just happens, His Excellency President Madabio took over power, win the election 2018 last June. And at the end of the day, no able to recognize such a respect to Anas by Kurma because maybe the other thing can say you don't come into politics before, you don't know what a president mean or somebody who don't rule a state before. So like.
Yeah, and for round up because we get other people.
So like in the same say, if you don't come to power, not just me pushing at the power, now you make he get a less respect for Ernest Bai Koroma. That I believe that na my own view.
All right, thank you very much.
Today.
Hello?
Yes, caller, you there live on air. Your name and who side you call from, please?
Oh, my name is Fatimata. They call from New York, sir.
Yes, Fatimata, what's in your contribution today?
My contribution to watch this show here today, how you call it, Mother Bio not get rights for taking us by Koroma in securities, them just like that.
No, not so dandy. Maybe, okay. You know, you're standing yesterday in program.
Oh.
Today, on way to
yes,
but President Bio and former President Koroma then be meet and then be talk all this fine talk we delicate today will not see it happen. 1 year on we not see them talk then they happen. So now that one day will be the talk today.
Oh, okay. Now because of President Bio not honest with the way they treat the opposition. I guess now that's make until election day they happen because according to OTV at the area, we say former President Ernest Bai Koroma, we don't they try for reach him, but you know they able to forget him till the way where things and they go wrong like this. And that's me feel. And obviously President Mada Bio they do the right thing because now in for bring camp people and together. If they put her as ahead, I don't mean say people are not get opinion for themselves. In it for understand say now people they take care of a lot of how many million people are within a salon, and stuff like that, billion or million, in it for bring people in together, whether opposition or the outsider them or we will vote for them or all lengths and they need for bring we come together. But if not they do all lengths and they just they continue for create chaos in the country. I don't think say it makes sense.
All right, thank you very much, caller.
You're welcome.
Thanks. Yes, caller, you there live on air. Your name and who side you call from?
My name is Marama Fofana. They call from Barcelona, Spain.
Yes, ma'am, from Spain. What's in your contribution at the program?
My contribution, let me respond to this brother who just drop a phone. As in they say, he wants me, Mother Bio, put people in together. In which way? Where Ernest Koroma don't lose the election, and therefore accept to we the people of Sierra Leone say, yes, I don't lose this election. Make we move on. Which is supported and therefore, yeah, we then said therefore no say, the leader don't lose the election, we don't move on. But he no accept, when Tijani Kababi lose the election, Tijani Kababi no still the act in the country, like say, in a president. The past they put people together the way EBK they do. EBK not even get respect for this present president, which is Bio. If not Bio be they do like that, trust me, my brother, EBK for be don't jail Bio. But they don't lose the presidentship. And it's still the past na the country they act like say in a president. That's the president not get for acceptance. He get for accept for say he don't lose this election. And they get for apologize to we the people of Sierra Leone the way he treat we. He don't be even get respect for we force. So I don't want me the recent president respect, and that's my own contribution to this your program.
All right, thank you very much, caller. Thank you. Yes, caller, you did live on air. Your name and who side you call from, please? Tidris, you did live on air.
Hello?
You did live on air. You know they hear me? Yes, caller, you did live on air. Your name and who side you call from?
Yeah, I'm Tidris Achas. I come from Sweden.
Yes, what's in your contribution at today's program?
I'll tell you, this particular one I'm very interested in. A very interesting topic. But let me tell you one thing. The campaign where the transition as state where identity we have made. It just like na Ludo. You know what in a Ludo also where they play Ludo. Huh? Okay. Me and you don't play. And I really don't say yes, you don't drop me, I don't fail, I not get up. Now you win. I forgot Butu before you say, oh, because I not get up. I beg you for tell me what thing they do. That one is number 1 point. Besides, Mother Bio, it's not obligatory to this papa. No, it's a fact. Me and you don't campaign something, you don't win, you don't go to the parliament. I not forgot teach you, what you forgot do it. I don't care how educated I am. I'm here. Me young little waiting and call what they tell go there. Now they use. Now corruption where they don't waiting and call na Sierra Leone, Mother Bio they fight against. the all of Guinea Magamanga, Duama, it will be me not be able to tell you, but not come. Totally another with them. Again, I tell them, you know, correct what they do, what they do, what they want to do. Really? So,
okay, thank you very much. Yes, caller, your name and who side you call from?
This is Mohamed Lamin Kamara from Italy.
Yes, Mohamed. What's in your contribution at the own program?
Well, my own contribution will get my own program. Like, I see all the other callers, when they call the country, and they in favor of the different political parties. So many they talk for a country in better one. Like, I mean, listening one last caller, we see Salon will ever get peace because of the parliament appointed this the court turned that fire that person because he not like the country anyway. Now party then like me not they talk go far. For instance, they say two captains they ride one boat. At least enter like President Madabio and former President Anes Baikoma. If Anes they act like say he is still in power, so Madabio no go agree. This is how the draw down our country do. Me they talk to the President Anes Baikoma, he don't do it own. Everybody knows he don't do it own. So make it give peace, make it give the Madabio chance, make it give him chance. The lot.
All right, thank you, Thank you.
Yeah.
Yes, caller, you're live on air. Your name and who side you call from?
Me na Francis. I call from Ohio, Columbus. How are you doing today, bro?
Good. What's in your contribution part to the program?
Well, my own contribution, I listen, the handing over or Madabio we go to former president and the Coleman and get a fruitful discussion. That was right. Like what you say, we started to go wrong. So my own perception, I be there, we started the election today, I be there not alone. No matter we vote for. My own perception all towards this saga will go not alone. Okay. Now, to me, the Tawo Madabio we come into power. Okay. It not be institutional commission of inquiry. Okay, it just empower the anti-corruption. Then begin to call people in one by one. Is that anti-corruption? This cannot be the goal. The first mistake we can do, forgive Professor David Francis for be the chairman of this commission of inquiry. I'm not be in a salon. You know, we know not what they do. So now, eventually, when you go to public, you begin telling people and say they are not man there, they are not a kitchen there. Now, only to be honest, one people and I want to get a country. You don't go to the public. So if you look at and say, no, not to say for publish yet. Go to that document to the president. We are going to go to the public that day. That time, we are going to contact the former president. Oh my, we don't do a commission of inquiry. Now this will find out. What thing I will take. We are going to reconstruct something. But then go to the way this are chief man, this are the kitchen, they don't like the country. Okay, so now this is the problem starts. Understand? Then secondly, if they don't make now say, okay, now they win the majority or the parliament or so at gate, instead they get the majority parliamentarian. Okay, then you don't get them. Okay, they don't be on that side, they don't let them. Now, if they don't be on the other side, they don't let them. They will go back to now, group another one seat. Okay, there were 10 parliamentarians, 16 parliamentarians, they don't be so, they be eat public funds, they will come back. Okay, if they want to be don't hire enough amounts, they don't accept the parliamentarian, everything don't go through so. Well, I'm left for the city again now. Not for that. But they don't come forget we tell them continue again for they say and then for come on the parliament. So me, now that's the problem there. Then the former vice president, he go fair. No, no big tell and say this is a chief man, they have to go tell them my friend, even if they're good thing for tell you, you don't go do it again.
All right, thank you.
So me, people they say when they say the former president for resign and you push, they don't go resign. Anything when you go resign, if you go feel say if you resign at the party, what's bad carry them go arrest them. You know to remember Pali. The only way you go say until I think convention when they come out is gone, it's remember look at them, people go resign, people go left that party. Apart from that, so you don't come out say this video I don't go do.
Okay, thank you very much, caller.
Yeah.
Thank you. Yes, sir. Yeah. Yes, caller, you live on air. Your name and who side you call from?
Mina Jerome, I call from UK.
Yes, sir. What's in your own contribution, sir, to the own program?
Well, my own contribution from the very start of this problem is Ernest Koroma initiate all this issue where we don't go through so right now. You know, because from initially, from the third way the man for hand over power, when I say abruptly, the one whole country, everybody see, even the world see, how the man walk away from we as Sierra Leoneans then. You know? So that day alone, from the initial, from the very first start day, that time they will for no say, this man and all starts. And Nayanda things don't they go the boil. You know, this man, he don't serve two terms. He don't get for rule again. He don't get for kind of power again. Therefore, just take the back seat. That APC business, that APC party business, and within the party, you know, as a chairman of the APC, where he want be, where he be already, you know. Then they left within them as a party. But me first say, Nayanda the issue, the problem there, what it affects the country right now.
All right.
Yes.
Okay, thank you very much.
You know, and this anti-corruption business.
Oh, we lost that caller there. Yes, caller from France. Your name and who side you call from?
I call from France.
Yes, what's in your own contribution today?
Honestly, my brother, let's just make one point clear. You understand? The first problem by this transition, we try to talk about the problem beyond day. Now, when the day where they go, where Mother Bill for go take the staff now, then we all day we see. And as Koma, if we don't follow Chijankaba in foot, when Chijankaba be the Anova Power program, Chijankaba make everything known to the whole world. Say, I left 1 loan at the Kofa, I left 2 million, I left 3 million, I left 1 million. But when an Escoma Ion think can we see it just go write one big ledger in an handing over notes. It go, say, sing to the people of Sierra Leone. That's what you only say there is something dubious going on. And if you listen to that caller just from London, where he talks to all the political parties and the political classes, they get their own negotiation exit. When once you try to negotiate, you exit, the negotiation not go down well. When they get problem. Now, these are some of the problems who they face in Sudan. Yeah, secondly, and as Komami, I will say like a retired president or it's because the man still in active politics. And at a point, we say if I don't quit politics, go slow like I be toxic. They say in 3 months you go quit politics, don't swipe, go to McKinney, go to home, go make in Kasada farm and all that kind of stuff. But the man still in active politics every day. The court in my mind. Come on, man. You cannot do that. You know?
All right, thank you.
And if on a need for talk to really give peace a chance, they forget about salon politics. You don't wait for 11 years. People need security vigilance will be full. I don't want to go into that because
yes, exactly. And we get to other people.
Not that the topic today, but when you look at the whole thing of why they deny security, there is something hidden going on. I don't say this thing on several occasions at this platform. You know, well, like when I need to talk to an Escoma, or the social media program, I need to talk to that man, exit salon politics. The man don't for 11 good years.
Okay, thank you.
Himself, he don't reach him brother, he don't reach him family. So, you know, come on, man. It's like me at salon, me at you know. Boy, God bless you. Thank God. Bye-bye.
All right. Yes, caller, your name and who side you call from, sir?
Good evening. I'm calling from Germany. Mina Mukhtar Jallo.
Yes, Mukhtar Jallo. What's in your own contribution for the transition?
Well, my own contribution for the transition, first and foremost, our former president, Mr. Ernest Bai Koroma, he been done promise, say, during the transmission or after the transmission, it been promised to say it step out from politics. Unfortunately, that's not happened. And it's a disappointment also to the people of Sierra Leone, to we all. But in that case, Now the present government, it therefore regard that as a correction. So the present government now, with President Madabio, His Excellency, I think if I put that aside, although it's very difficult to put that aside, but for the sake of peace and unity in that country, this is just like teacher and a student. So now the former president, he don't do this mistake. He act before he think in that case. Because if he knows he not get for go out of politics, maybe he not before announced that earlier. That's not the mistake he make. He announced that earlier, then he know he will hold on. So in this case, now like the student, now the present government is like the teacher. Forgive and correct. So in that case, now for correct the former president by doing this way. By doing this way, for ignore that and try to create another policy where all man for look into where grievances not get for take place on both sides. Because this here and there will go ever bring people together, then go ever solve the problem. You see, now we're in a state to find a solution to amend things. Because if they keep on blaming here and there, then all it creates problems. And we're not going to left for problems all the time. People are under, they want peace. So now for overlook that and correct former president and create a solution where we say the present government, for look into, although it's said he get the part that will be not played. But in this part, he do a great mistake. For say he go step aside, then do that. Now a great mistake.
Okay,
so that mistake, then I will find a solution to correct that mistake.
All right, thank you, sir.
Yeah, that's another my own contribution. I thank you very much.
Thank you very much, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, caller, you live on air. Your name and who side you call from?
I'm Patrick Sakwi. I call from Germany.
Yes, Patrick Sakwi from Germany. Your contribution, sir?
Yeah, my own contribution is that, we try to talk about the previous transition, but what I want to tell the people of Sierra Leone, if the opposition or the opposition leaders, I made them calm down, made them just sit down. I've been not say this thing before, I still repeat them again. Then we get a manifesto where they make to the people of Sierra Leone. You don't need to be inside politics before you develop or you take part in the developmental program of your country or of a nation in the Sahel. Our main APC come close to SLPP, made them support SLPP. Whatever thing we good for Sierra Leone, the people, let them forget about putting party before. Let them support SLPP for push forward their agendas. And let them back put the agenda, let them come forth with their own agenda to SLPP say, okay, well, now this, we need your support and come out plain to the nation, say, now this we don't put to the government for make them support to you. We've been don't say, if we win, we they come with poultry na Makeni. And now we know win, but we need this particular budget because budget can do where government is set for any developmental project. Let them try for let the country go before let them all what in SLPP and APC they do so now for create supremacy. Like what we did at the West right now, we know exactly what in white supremacy they do to the black race. And this is what they're trying to do. Political supremacy in Sierra Leone. Everybody they try for and be supreme and forget about the country and go on before. If now the people, for example, Ibrahim Benkabo, whatsoever been the try for say, okay, now SLPP don't say they know they pay flight fee or whatsoever and even sponsor any parliamentarians, them parliamentarians that wouldn't work for go oversee on a parliamentary purpose, but then they don't put money aside. They don't put that money there aside but for people, they win at the poor people. They know they do them, but the people on the back when they suffer, they not see them in the day. You understand? Let them come up with projects. Let them go McKinney. Let them build institutes in the day. Let them go now. If they take on that tribal way, okay, let them go now areas and let them improve it.
All right, thank you.
You understand? Let there be this competition. Let them see if we no go vote for them. Let them see if we no go come out massively come to 2023 for say okay.
All right, thank you, Patrick.
You see?
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you, Patrick.
Yeah.
Yes, caller, you live on air. Your name and which side you call from?
Yeah, this is Gombe Musa Tonyaya. They call from Philadelphia, USA.
Yeah, what's in your own contribution today, sir?
What me want to tell the people of Sierra Leone is this: that APC, SLPP, 58 years, they don't fool the people of that country. They don't spoil the country. Now, the particular stage where they so, it's like we are in a constitutional crisis. Here is the thing. Then two political parties don't violate the constitution. They don't rubbish the constitution. To the point that Wusa we dey now, waiting at the bottom, the whole thing, we don't bring this confusion here in a salon right now, start from the speakership election. If the Salon people, they don't go to an election, they don't elect Madabio as president of that country, then they don't give majority to the APC in a parliament. That's not the people's mandate, they don't give. So then the politician, the winner, the servant of the people, therefore carry out the mandate with the people of Sierra Leone give them by voting in the party where in parliament in majority, the speakership. Madabio come with a vindictive way of ruling that country. Now I don't bring this whole conflict. You know, we can't talk say because an Escromano being give the security to Pakaba, you said can you not forgive him? It's inside the constitution. Now 30 officers then the president forget. Let we forget about this vindictive politics. Now I don't bring all these things. Even if they go to B2 3 up to B2 Z, if they not go back for when we visit the speakership position, trust me, we never forget peace in that country.
All right, thank you very much.
No way. So let them try for CC, let we uphold the constitution of the country. Now very important. Not to have, but you know, the Salon people, they suffer, and this will be a lesson to them. For say, APC and SFPP, not good for them. For 58 years, they don't misrule that country. Now get rid of them to Patia. Other countries, they don't do them. They don't go before. Ghana don't do them. Nigeria don't do them. Rwanda don't do them. Kenya don't do them. Now we forget about them colonial Patia. They are built on tribal and regional lines. Now that makes Salon the end.
All right, thank you. Thank you very much, caller. Yes, caller, you're live on air. Your name and who side you call from?
I call from London. I'm in Fala.
Yes, Fala, what's in your own contribution on today's program?
You see, the one who lost stop this blame game, they all come together for make Salon. But the constitution in the talk, all this one are sidekick. Then they give APC. So remember during the Sam Sumana issue, we then find small loophole in the constitution. They use them for getting rid of Sam Sumana.
I don't know, maybe sometimes the program we listen a past program because today we too they talk about now a well-planned transition and they lead to good governance. And we don't play one yes now the transition and the good governance now they talk about today.
Okay, yeah, the transition means good, but now the same thing because when the transition takes place, everything is okay. But when they can't look at the constitution, then fair way for give APC the sidekick, then they bring this one up problem, come to the speakership. You know, that's not the reason. Now, always in the APC that they do back, then so we're not for blame there. But tomorrow it got to happen back. So we all come on board, we find a way, we will solve this problem easy. But then they do thing there again,
wait more. Other government can negotiate, oh, that and after them in do today. We save the do again. You understand? So, we all want to call on this radio, we'll find a way where they make the better salon. We'll not get two salons. You're welcome.
Yeah, thank you very much, caller. Yes, caller, you're live on air. Your name and who side you call from?
This now, Mohammed from USA.
Yes, Mohammed. What's in your own contribution today? We talk about the transition. What's in your contribution, sir?
Yes, my contribution that from your preamble, from where they make the transition, where these two leaders they meet, waiting can change since that time. I strongly believe, say, that just because of this commission of inquiry where President Bio can announce it in the institute, because APC no say if this government can take over, then they one can institute a transition where they can inquire about what we do. That means say the one can put we, then they can find way for make we downfall. So now make APC they take and say this by all kind way. If this government say then they can see we downfall one, we go make all kind way for make sure say then tenure ungovernable. They're not able to govern. They're not able to do nothing. Since now we the one can watch what we've been doing for can make we downfall. We say go make sure say we do all things in our power for letting government not able to take a foothold. And that's what they see exactly. As long as this investigation they go on, then say they want to investigate what in the past government been doing. The SLPP, it will be very hard for them succeed. And when once the major opposition not cooperate with the government, the power of the day, that government they will be very hard for them succeed. Look like the recent walkouts we they do in parliament. People that will not understand, they don't know the impact of that, but they send a very big message to the international community, say the country not there at peace. And investors then will be scared for Canada, the country, because of the kind of thing they did. So as he say, if you ask what's happening from transition to now, the main problem now because of this commission of inquiry with the Francomonts. You know, say now we problem and if you Solomon say somebody one can dig in which can pull an ado and they agree. No man let it go first if na for let or two for don't do na ground or two go for don't na ground. So na my own contribution that no more. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, caller. Thanks.
Okay, bye-bye.
Yes, we get another caller on the line. Yes, caller, your name and who side you call from?
Umar Kamara, call from Virginia.
Yes, Umar from Virginia. We will talk about the transition. What's in your own contribution?
Well, my contribution, they don't talk a lot. But me, what me want to talk? I want the government forget about the any other thing, forget about the opposition. But then forget about unless not so an issue. Maybe the government focus on developing the country. Apparently, the economy it don't be an every day. But the government just focus on unless no more. Unless they talk. Well, the government is just focus on unless no more. So unless not an issue. For Kelgo, we can't go before. If the president focus on unless, it will miss a major. We say if a major, it is minor. And apparently, the government the measure like a minor. Instead of measuring a major. So the issue of unless, not an issue. It's just like the government just depend an excuse. So me, I want the government forget about unless, let the government forget about opposition. During the days of unless, they talk beaucoup. But unless they just focus on for who in government, because you know, say at the end of the day, now they ask. They're not going to say opposition. They're not going to call nobody else. So me, I made the government forget about ANS, forget about APC, forget about anything else. But many focus on a measure for Kego Salon go before.
Okay, thank you very much, caller.
You're welcome.
Yes, we get another caller on the line. Yes, caller, your name and who side you call from, please?
My name Ami. I call from New Jersey.
Yes, Ami from New Jersey. Today we talk about transition. What's in your own contribution?
So my own contribution is for the last caller we just talk while listening to now true it talk the back and forth fighting about who that do wrong, who that not do wrong. Let's just stop blaming each other. The thing is now Salon we want build up all over again. So all we get for do, Usai the previous president don't do what he don't do. Let we just take from Usai and look continue and build the country. Follow go before. We not to go back for what he don't do previous years and we do go after. It just sounds like we get into a competition with somebody. The person they try for distract you for let you not focus on your goal. Then you're not going to do anything for the country. And at time now they go. Time not then we side again. We are all humans. So all we get for do is now for go forward. So now the thing and I'm my own contribution and let SIPP they left the blame game. Let's just continue from wherever they do, they don't do their own. Now their own government. Let's continue. Let's go forward.
All
my
right.
own contribution and
Thank you very much, caller. Yes, we get another caller on the line. Yes, caller, your name and who side you call from, please?
Alusan calling from Freetown. Anyway, before ever they start for talk, we do the pray may God continue for put peace in our country as peace now the paramount for anything. And we pray to the government, may God direct them for all the country. Just like the previous people that waited and just say, the government be able say blame game. I mean, now is not the time again for do all that thing and day. See, time they go, may then just focus on how they go able move the country go ahead.
All right. Thank you.
Yeah.
Yes, we get another caller on the line. Yes, caller, your name and who side you call from?
I'm Almami, I come from Kuwait.
Yes, Almami from Kuwait. What's in your own contribution?
Well, my own contribution, first and foremost, no we forget about ANS in chairmanship na in party because that's not their own decision. But waiting na my own concern, and it's by Kuma use one statement we make the tension still continue in that country. Whatever you as a leader, you get for take a leadership. The moment where them don't lose the election, you know they no right for them just therefore come back say yes right now they will blame me, but you don't know what's happen. But me will make sure say the party will bring them back. And if you are somebody they think you know say this man is still in active role as politician. What do you mean expect an for say they come out like Solomon Berwa. Stop the supporters them, tell them the hard fact. Say now we don't lose the election. Now we go back na the drawing board. Now we know waiting for do back for comeback. But if you know say that tension go still there, the man go feel say now hook there. Now that's make we get tension at this other country this me brother. If me they contribute now this one me get for say.
All right, thank you very much, caller. Yes, caller, you're live on air. Your name and who side you call from, please?
Yeah, but I'm also in the call back, Republic of Ireland.
Yes, sir. Waiting you answer this time. Now, one time we can allow people learn, but I don't know. Yes, what you answer?
No, what are the try for saying? We now other call the other caller, this one caller, we just say Salon, like Wusa and S don't take Salon. From on two sides, you see, take a Wusa. You see, we take Salon, nothing not been there. Because we look, since we were born, now the same thing we meet Salon now, still it is. Because we talk about the basic needs we people them for get wind and water with light. Salon we go free to always like that. Unless Even when they go there and say, pass by generator on a house. Even light no day, water no day. So we say, people they talk to me for say, this man don't take her from, we don't meet her. They don't put her on side. Because those things are basic things that everybody forget. Now the country, we citizens forget. We now water, with light. That they know they in the country. So what did you talk to for say, oh, they don't take salon, they don't take our other side.
Okay.
Don't go no side. If you even look for our neighbors, Guinea, Liberia, they even don't pass winner, salon. Salon, nothing no they understand. Anybody tell you for say salon they don't advance, there's nothing there.
All right, thank you.
So that's the contribution that I would add. Thank
you very much. I think we don't come to today's own program. The end now. They close the curtain. No more calls. Salon. The main thing I think I pick on all the callers them. Everybody they talk about respect. Say President Bio no respect. Former President Nkrumah, and then say back former President Nkrumah no respect President Bio. Now the same thing I can always talk. Now the comment section they say. Now, so we self will not respect we self. Now, I make everybody the banking company under left and right. And, Salon, this particular sideway, I think say wait to make for come with the transition. Now, because when you look, one caller self make reference to that. All we hear about former presidents are handing over notes. You remember, na stadium, we go hand over the picture where they watch Joseph, the staff, we go hand over the staff, give President Bio. He not even talk na stadium. As he hand over the staff done, na in the waka kalef and back na he moto get vep, he go. Na left stadium so, he not talk. He not talk. So till now, we know hear. So, communication, I think communication fine. We just hope say, waiting mistake ever we will make by this particular transition, we not go make them in future. If we not be make them pakaba in 10, why we make them now? But again, I hope say we don't learn. Say the transition time make because it good. Way from one regime to the other, it good forget that period. It really good forget the period. I just hope say at the end of the day, we all go learn and understand say we need that transition same day. So what you not think say we for talk about tomorrow. Tomorrow get for be a different topic. What you not think say we for talk about tomorrow. Let the comments and color we see. Yes, how you see I don't make so. No camp well here for we. You day and tomorrow also you day. You day so. That's what we dey end today on program. I want to tell you thank you. Hey. Tomorrow. Let me see who done the lucky winner now. Yeah. Tomorrow your program. Mandongi. Okay, I think so we go discuss the culture of patriotism na Sierra Leone. Now we go discuss tomorrow the culture of patriotism because it look like say some man they miss the patriotism under empathy and if be on for Sierra Leone. I think that now the thing we go discuss tomorrow. So Lord just get we thinking captain ready and ready for flow. All way to they do so now for just make Salon better. That's all. Nothing more, nothing less. Now I make we they do with who they do so. Till we meet again tomorrow. That's what Triple they say tata.